Did you know cottage cheese is packed with more protein than you probably think, giving you a serious energy boost? Cottage cheese is one of those foods that's often overlooked, but it's actually super versatile and has some amazing benefits. You might have had it as a kid, but then it kind of fell off your radar. I think it's time to give it another chance. People often think of cottage cheese as a bit bland or boring, but trust me, it's so much more than that. It's been around for ages, and somehow it got a reputation for being a bit of a grandma food. But it's definitely worth reconsidering. One of the best things about cottage cheese is its crazy high protein content. A single cup can have up to 28 grams of protein, which is basically a muscle builder's dream. Plus, it's packed with essential nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, and phosphorus. And let's not forget about its versatility. You can put it in smoothies, use it as a base for salads, or even bake with it. Cottage cheese is also ridiculously versatile in recipes. You can make pancakes, waffles, or even a cheesecake with it. And if you're feeling lazy, just mix it with some fruit or honey for a quick snack. The possibilities are endless. For anyone trying to build muscle or lose weight, cottage cheese is basically a superfood. The protein and nutrients will help you power through workouts and keep you full for hours. Plus, it's low in calories and sugar, making it a great addition to any diet. Incorporating cottage cheese into your daily meals is a breeze. Try adding it to oatmeal or yogurt for extra protein, or use it as a substitute for mayonnaise or sour cream. You can even make a cottage cheese and fruit parfait for a healthy breakfast. Some experts swear by cottage cheese as a way to boost metabolism and support weight loss. And if you're a fitness enthusiast, you'll love the way it helps with muscle recovery. As a nutritionist once told me, cottage cheese is a simple yet powerful way to upgrade your diet and support your overall health. So, what makes cottage cheese so great? It's the perfect combo of high protein, essential nutrients, and versatility. It's a healthy and convenient food option that's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their diet. Give cottage cheese a try in a new way and share your favorite recipes in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy food insights and tips on how to level up your nutrition game.